Okay, so you know those what-if scenarios we always find so fascinating?
Yeah.
Like, what if we could turn back time?
Yeah.
Well, in the vast world of the ocean, that what-if is a reality for a creature called the Atlantic comb jelly,
Okay.
or as it's more affectionately known, the sea walnut.
Uh-huh.
And what's incredible about this creature is its ability to actually reverse its aging process.
Right.
We're diving into a stack of research articles today to uncover the hows and whys of this amazing ability and what it might reveal about aging itself.
Yeah, it's a truly captivating phenomenon.
Yeah.
We often think of aging as this linear, irreversible journey, but the sea walnut throws that notion right out the window.
Right.
Yeah.
It kind of makes you wonder if something as seemingly simple as a sea walnut can do this, what else might be possible in the animal kingdom?
Exactly.
But before we get too far ahead of ourselves, let's unravel this mystery step by step.
Yeah.
I mean, how does a creature literally rewind its life cycle? It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie.
Picture this. The sea walnut facing a stressful situation, say a lack of food or a physical injury,
Okay.
goes through a remarkable transformation. It shrinks in size, sheds some of its adult characteristics, and incredibly regrows its larval tentacles.
It's not just a cosmetic change either, right? We're talking about a dramatic shift in its entire form.
Absolutely. And what makes this even more intriguing is that once those stressful conditions ease, the sea walnut can essentially hit the play button again and return to its adult stage.
Oh, wow.
Even regaining its reproductive abilities.
So it's not permanently stuck in its younger form.
Right.
It's more like taking a strategic pause, a temporary retreat to a less demanding stage of life.
Exactly.
This leads me to another question. Just how unusual is this ability in the animal kingdom?
You're touching on a very important point.
Okay.
You see, this reverse aging isn't something we see every day.
Right.
In fact, the sea walnut joins a very exclusive group. It's only the third known species to possess this remarkable capability.
Besides the sea walnut, there's the immortal jellyfish, right? The one that's gotten a lot of attention for its own version of aging in reverse.
Exactly.
And then, wasn't there another one?
You're thinking of the hydra, another fascinating organism known for its regenerative prowess.
Right, the hydra. So we're talking about a very select club here?
Yes, very select.
This makes the sea walnut's ability even more intriguing. What makes this discovery so significant for the scientific community?
Well, firstly, this is the first instance of reverse aging ever observed in a comb jelly.
Okay.
Now, comb jellies are ancient, possibly even predating the split between vertebrates and invertebrates.
Wow, so we're talking about a lineage that's been around for eons, carrying this hidden secret.
Exactly.
What does that tell us about the evolution of aging itself?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
Yeah.
This discovery really shakes up our conventional understanding of aging as a one-way street. It begs the question, could this ability be more prevalent than we realize, just waiting to be uncovered in other species?
That's a mind-boggling thought.
It is.
It's like we're only just beginning to scratch the surface of what nature has to offer in terms of understanding aging and its potential for manipulation.
Precisely, the sea walnut is a shining example of how nature still holds many mysteries.
Right.
And might even hold the keys to unlocking solutions for some of our most pressing challenges.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So we've established that this reverse aging is scientifically groundbreaking.
Yes.
But let's shift gears for a moment.
Okay.
How does this ability translate into real-world survival advantages for the sea walnut?
That's where its invasive success story comes into play.
Okay.
One of the articles we're looking at today details how the sea walnut, armed with this reverse aging ability, becomes a formidable force in new environments.
Invasive meaning it spreads to and thrives in areas where it wasn't originally found.
Exactly. Imagine this. The sea walnut, tucked away in the ballast water of a ship, can survive for weeks without food.
Wow.
Enduring harsh conditions. It's like a tiny, resilient voyager crossing oceans.
So they can hitchhike across the globe and then establish themselves in new territories.
Precisely. And once they arrive, they can revert to their larval form. This is a crucial survival tactic, as it allows them to access a broader range of food sources.
So it's like having a superpower.
Yeah.
A built-in adaptation mechanism that lets them adjust to whatever life throws their way.
That's a great way to put it.
Yeah.
The sea walnut demonstrates a level of adaptability that's quite remarkable.
Okay, so the sea walnut is clearly a master of adaptation.
Yes.
But let's zoom back in on the science for a minute.
Okay.
We've touched on the immortal jellyfish and how it can revert to an earlier life stage.
Right.
How does the sea walnut's reverse aging compare to that?
That's an excellent question.
Yeah.
It's crucial to understand the distinction between these two processes. The immortal jellyfish, scientifically known as Turritopsis dohrnii, undergoes a complete cellular transformation, essentially reverting back to its polyp stage.
So it's a total reset for the jellyfish.
Precisely. Now, the sea walnut, on the other hand,
Yeah.
retains its individual identity while reverting to a larval form. It's not starting over. It's more like hitting the rewind button on a specific chapter of its life.
So it's a rewinding of its developmental tape, not erasing and starting a new recording.
A perfect analogy.
Okay.
This distinction provides researchers with two distinct models for studying reverse development and aging.
So by studying both the sea walnut and the immortal jellyfish, scientists can gain a more comprehensive understanding of the various ways organisms can manipulate their own lifespans.
Exactly.
What are the potential implications of this for us?
That's where things get really fascinating.
Okay.
The sea walnut's ability to reverse age without complete cellular transformation is particularly intriguing. Imagine unraveling the molecular pathways involved, the specific genes or proteins that orchestrate this process.
Right.
This could unlock entirely new approaches to regenerative medicine,
Yeah.
perhaps even providing insights into treating age-related diseases or repairing damaged tissues in humans.
Hold on. Are we talking about the potential to reverse aging in humans?
It's a long-term prospect, certainly.
Okay, but
The sea walnut and other organisms that exhibit reverse aging offer us invaluable insights into the fundamental processes that govern aging and development.
so while we may not be hitting the rewind button on our own lives anytime soon,
Right.
studying creatures like the sea walnut could pave the way for incredible breakthroughs in the future.
Absolutely. The sea walnut is a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of life on Earth.
Yeah.
Its ability to reverse aging challenges our assumptions and opens up a world of possibilities for scientific exploration.
It really makes you wonder what other secrets are hidden in the depths of the ocean, just waiting to be discovered, right?
That's the beauty of science.
Yeah.
There's always something new to learn, some mystery to unravel.
Mm-hmm.
The sea walnut is just one example of the extraordinary wonders that nature has to offer.
And it's a reminder that sometimes the most unexpected places hold the answers to some of our most profound questions.
Exactly. The sea walnut, with its seemingly simple existence, has turned our understanding of aging upside down.
Right.
It's an invitation to rethink what we thought we knew about the limits of biology.
So for our listener who's been soaking up all this incredible information, what's the one key takeaway you want them to walk away with from this first part of our deep dive?
I'd say the discovery of reverse aging in the sea walnut serves as a powerful reminder that nature is full of surprises. It challenges us to keep an open mind and to look beyond the obvious.
Yeah.
Because sometimes the most profound discoveries are hidden in the most unexpected places.
Well said, and that's just the tip of the iceberg.
Right.
In the next part of our deep dive, we'll explore the potential implications of the sea walnut's reverse aging ability for humans.
Okay, I'm excited for that.
Yeah, me too.
And those unexpected places might just lead us to solutions we never even thought possible.
Okay, so let's dive into some of those potential solutions.
Okay.
You mentioned earlier that studying the sea walnut's reverse aging process could have significant implications for human health,
Right.
especially in the field of regenerative medicine. That's a pretty exciting prospect, isn't it?
It is.
What could that actually look like in practice?
Imagine a future where instead of just slowing down aging, we could actually reverse the damage that comes with it.
Okay.
The sea walnut's ability to regenerate its larval tentacles offers a fascinating glimpse into the potential for manipulating cellular regeneration in other species,
Right.
maybe even humans.
So we're talking about the possibility of regrowing damaged tissues or even entire organs.
Yes.
That sounds almost like science fiction.
It does.
What kind of conditions could this potentially revolutionize?
It's certainly a long way off.
Yeah.
But think about the possibilities. Spinal cord injuries, heart disease, neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's.
Yeah.
These are all areas where regenerative medicine could potentially make a huge impact.
Wow.
Imagine being able to repair the damage at a cellular level, restoring function and improving quality of life for millions of people.
It's mind-blowing to think about the potential. But I imagine there are still a lot of hurdles to overcome before we see this kind of technology being used in humans.
Absolutely. We're still in the very early stages of understanding the complex mechanisms behind reverse aging.
Yeah.
It's a puzzle with many pieces.
Right.
And we're just starting to figure out how they fit together. We need to identify the specific genes and proteins involved, understand how they interact with each other, and figure out how environmental factors influence the process.
It sounds like a massive undertaking,
It is.
but one that could have incredible payoffs.
Yeah.
But as we delve deeper into this research, we also have to consider the ethical implications, right?
Absolutely.
I mean, the idea of manipulating aging and lifespan raises a lot of questions.
Yeah. You're absolutely right. As with any scientific advancement that has the potential to fundamentally alter human biology, we need to proceed thoughtfully and engage in open discussions about the ethical implications.
So as we move forward with this research, we need to ask ourselves,
Yes.
who would have access to these technologies?
Mm-hmm.
What are the potential unintended consequences?
Right.
How do we ensure that these advancements benefit humanity as a whole?
Exactly. These are questions that science can't answer alone.
Okay.
We need a broader societal conversation about the implications of manipulating aging and the values that should guide our research.
The sea walnut, in a way, is not just teaching us about the wonders of biology, but also prompting us to grapple with these larger ethical questions.
Right.
It's reminding us that scientific progress must go hand in hand with responsible innovation.
Precisely. The sea walnut story serves as a powerful reminder that nature often holds the keys to unlocking solutions to some of our most pressing challenges.
Yeah.
But it's up to us to use that knowledge wisely and ethically.
So as we marvel at the sea walnut's incredible abilities, we also need to engage in thoughtful discussions about the potential impact of this knowledge on our own species.
And that's a crucial part of the scientific process.
Okay.
It's not just about making groundbreaking discoveries, but about understanding the broader implications of those discoveries and ensuring they are used for the betterment of humanity.
This deep dive has been an incredible journey so far.
It has.
And I feel like we're just scratching the surface of this complex and fascinating topic.
I agree.
What's the one key message you hope our listener takes away from our discussion today?
I hope our listener walks away with a sense of wonder
Mm.
and a renewed appreciation for the incredible diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth.
Okay.
The sea walnut, with its ability to seemingly defy time, is a testament to the boundless possibilities that nature holds.
It's a reminder that we still have so much to learn,
Yes.
and that the answers to some of our most fundamental questions might be hiding in the most unexpected places.
And those answers could revolutionize our understanding of biology, aging, and even the very nature of life itself.
It's exciting to think about what the future holds,
Yeah.
especially as we continue to delve deeper into the mysteries of the sea walnut.
Yeah, it really is. And while we may not have all the answers right now,
Hmm.
one thing is for sure, the sea walnut has earned its place in the scientific spotlight.
Oh, absolutely.
Don't you think?
It's a creature that has captivated our imagination, challenged our assumptions, and opened up a world of possibilities for exploration.
And as we wrap up our deep dive into the world of the sea walnut, I want to leave our listener with a final thought.
All right.
We've talked about its ability to reverse its aging process, the evolutionary significance, the potential for human applications, but beyond all the scientific details,
Right.
what's the one big idea you want to stick with our listener?
If a creature as seemingly simple as a sea walnut
Okay.
can possess such an extraordinary ability,
What other wonders might be hidden in the vast tapestry of life on Earth?
it really makes you realize how much we still have to learn, doesn't it?
It does.
And that even the smallest, most unassuming creatures can hold the keys to unlocking some of life's greatest mysteries.
Exactly. The sea walnut is a powerful reminder that nature is full of surprises,
Yeah.
and that we should never underestimate the potential of the natural world to inspire innovation and lead us to groundbreaking discoveries.
So for our listener, if this deep dive has sparked your curiosity,
Mm-hmm.
I encourage you to keep exploring.
Yes.
Delve deeper into the world of the sea walnut. Research those unanswered questions.
Mm-hmm.
And who knows?
Yeah.
Maybe you'll be the one to uncover the next big breakthrough in our understanding of aging. Until then, keep those minds curious and keep diving deep.